Switch probably easier for them to switch.
Yes. Leah, can you switch with Fisher so Fisher can sit there? Yeah, Fisher, sit there. Oh, you want to sit there? Okay. Okay.
At the night we can have ice cream.
Hey guys,
At the night we can have ice cream.
say hi.
Hey guys, look backwards. Hey, hey, hey. All look like they could be related big time. Fishy. Hi, Fishy.
While the train is moving, we have to keep our hands and feet inside at all times, okay? We have to remain seated at all times.
Choo choo. Right? Fishy, sit down. You guys sit down.
That's it.
Just kidding.
Here we
Watch
go.
Hands and feet inside.
Hit the donkeys.
Look, Fisher. Wow.
Choo choo. Choo choo. Whee!
Yay! Always aware. I mean, you look like I'm not.
No, you are. I just say tuck and roll.
I'm down with that.
That one, I'm looking at her. Oh, look at the goats.
Look at the goats. They're the greatest of all time.
Oh, that trampoline. Oh, go. I get it. Oh, look at that. Look at that big.
Pumbaa.
There he is. Oh, look at them. Look at them cows.
Mini cows, dude.
Oh, that
Oh, look at the horses. The horsies.
You know horses can turn into unicorns?
Really? I did not know that.
So they grab a carrot and then put it there.
Oh.
And they say hi to a man that has sparkles and then the sparkles came out.
Oh.
Ooh, cool.
Waterfall.
Yes, but we're going to go another time.
Another time?
Since they said the other time.
That is so cool. Going a second time.
Look at that ass.
Yeah.
Jackass. It's a jackass.
No.
That's funny.
Potty
You look
mouth,
like
potty
you
mouth.
like- That was funny.
Because I'm a goody two shoe. Potty mouth, potty mouth.
They say if you kiss in a tunnel,
What does it mean?
I don't know, we'll end up naked at the end of the tunnel.
Whoa, whoa.
Give me a kiss. Ready, go. Nope.
How beautiful it is. It's so fresh. It's cool.
Yeah.
It's not hot at all.
No, it's great temperature. Great
Yeah,
day.
it's like 60.
really nice day.
Yeah. How fishy. Yay! Whee! 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 Oh, look at the goat. Oh, pig. Piggy, pig, pig. Piggy, pig. Oh, pig. Oink. Oh, cow. Moo. Moo. Moo, moo, moo. Aww. Aww. Oh, horses.
Do you know how horses can turn into unicorns?
How?
That they have a carrot and then they put it here.
Is the carrot glittery? Or is it orange?
No, it's glittery.
Oh, wow. Glittery carrots, huh? Wow.
12:22.
Good time.